A for apple.
A for apple.
Apple means
Save.
B for butterfly.
B for butterfly.
Butterfly means
Tickly.
C for cat.
C for cat.
Cat means
Billy.
D for duck.
D for duck.
Duck means
Butterfly.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
F for fan.
F for fan.
Fan means
Pankha.
G for grape.
G for grape.
Grapes means
Angur.
H for horse.
H for horse.
Horse means
Ghoda.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
Ice cream means
Tanda Malai.
J for joker.
J for joker.
Joker means
Joker.
K for kite.
K for kite.
Kite means
Patang.
L for lion.
L for lion.
Lion means
Save.
M for monkey.
M for monkey.
Monkey means
Bandar.
N for nest.
N for nest.
Nest means
Ghosla.
O for orange.
O for orange.
Orange means
Santara.
P for parrot.
P for parrot.
Parrot means
Tota.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
Queen means
Rani.
R for rat.
R for rat.
Rat means
Dua.
S for shark.
S for shark.
Shark means
Shark.
T for tomato.
T for tomato.
Tomato means
Tomato.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
Umbrella means
Chata.
V for violin.
V for violin.
Violin means
Sarangi.
W for watermelon.
W for watermelon.
Watermelon means
Tarbooj.
X for xylophone.
X for xylophone.
Xylophone means
Vadrayantra.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Yak means
Yak.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
Zebra means
Zebra.
A for airplane.
A for airplane.
Aeroplane, aeroplane up in the sky.
B for boat.
B for boat.
Let's be boats, 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 floating on the
C for clock.
C for clock.
नाचा घड़ी पे चूहा नाचा घड़ी ने एक
D for dog.
D for dog.
puppy parade is here to stay.
E for egg.
E for egg.
Chicken egg, a penguin egg, an ostrich egg, a crow egg, a
F for finger.
F for finger.
Daddy finger, where are you?
G for goat.
G for goat.
5 little goats jumping on the bed. One.
H for helicopter.
H for helicopter.
Heli ho, helicopter. Thank you.
I for ice.
I for ice.
हुआ है ठंडा, मौसम हुआ बर्फीला, स्वेटर पहनो.
J for jump.
J for jump.
5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down.
K for king.
K for king.
राजा जी, आपके कहे अनुसार मैंने अपने सभी
L for lamb.
L for lamb.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb.
M for mango.
M for mango.
जाम थे खट्टे और मीठे.
N for nurse.
N for nurse.
I am a nurse to care for you.
O for octopus.
O for octopus.
Octopus, octopus, swim, swim.
P for peacock.
P for peacock.
मोरनी को मोर ले गए.
Q for quail.
Q for quail.
I see a quill of a quail, quill for quail, a quill of a...
R for rabbit.
R for rabbit.
Rabbits, 1, 2, 3. Will you come?
S for star.
S for star.
Little star, how I wonder.
T for tiger.
T for tiger.
पापा बैग पापा हम कौन है?
U for uncle.
U for uncle.
Uncle, do you have an umbrella?
V for vegetable.
V for vegetable.
7 little vegetables jumping on the bed. Potato.
W for whale.
W for whale.
I'm the blue whale. I'm the blue whale. I'm big.
X for Xmas tree.
X for Xmas tree.
Xmas tree very pretty. Oh my Xmas tree look.
Y for yo-yo.
Y for yo-yo.
Yo-yo, it's my yo-yo, so you know now. Yo-yo.
Z for zoo.
Z for zoo.
Zebra prancing in the zoo. You look.
A for apple.
A for apple.
Apple, apple, apple. Round and.
A for airplane.
A for airplane.
यह तो वायुयान है, इसके कई आकार.
B for butterfly.
B for butterfly.
तितली रानी इतने सुंदर पंख कहाँ से लाई?
B for boat.
B for boat.
Let's be boats, 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 floating on the sea.
C for cat.
C for cat.
The cat on the bus says meow, 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 meow.
C for clock.
C for clock.
नाचा घड़ी पे चूहा नाचा, घड़ी ने एक.
D for duck.
D for duck.
Barney had a dog. E-I-E-I-O.
D for dog.
D for duck.
There was a baby had a dog and Bingo was his name.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
हाथी झूला झूलता है.
E for egg.
E for egg.
F for fan.
F for fan.
ऊपर पंखा चलता है नीचे
F for finger.
F for finger.
Daddy finger, where are you?
G for grape.
G for grape.
4 अंगूर थे छोटे छोटे गोल मटोल आप
G for goat.
G for goat.
5 little goats jumping on the bed. One
H for horse.
H for horse.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I.
H for helicopter.
H for helicopter.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
आइसक्रीम ले लो आइसक्रीम
I for ice.
I for ice.
एक गोले वाला आया बर्फ के गोले लाया।
J for joker.
J for joker.
जोकर है ये सर्कस का करतब नहीं दिखाता है।
J for jam.
J for jam.
Jumping up and down, jumping up and down, jumping up.
K for kite.
K for kite.
Want to fly up kite, up into the sky.
K for king.
K for king.
आपके साथ इतना बुरा हुआ, मुझे सुनकर बहुत बुरा लगा।
L for lion.
L for lion.
सारे जंगल का ये राजा शेर निराला।
L for lamb.
L for lamb.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary
M for monkey.
M for monkey.
बदर मामा को मिला केले का गुच्छा।
M for mango.
M for mango.
5 आम थे खट्टे और मीठे आप रख
N for nest.
N for nest.
N for nurse.
N for nurse.
I am a nurse. I care for patients. I'm very devoted, full of.
O for orange.
O for orange.
मैं हूँ संतरा मैं हूँ संतरा
O for octopus.
O for octopus.
Hello, I'm an octopus. I can grab everything.
P for parrot.
P for parrot.
मैं तोता नील गगन में हूँ उड़ता
P for peacock.
P for peacock.
मोरनी को मोर ले गए बाकी
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
There's magic in the snow. Let me show you.
Q for quail.
Q for quail.
There's still a long way to go before the harvest. We can still.
R for rat.
R for rat.
rat what flower do you like
R for rabbit.
R for rabbit.
Bunny foo foo, hopping through the forest, scooping up the fish.
S for shark.
S for shark.
Daddy shark, doo 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 doo. Daddy shark, honey.
S for star.
S for star.
Little star, how I wonder.
T for tomato.
T for tomato.
आह टमाटर बड़े मजेदार वाह टमाटर बड़े मजेदार
T for tiger.
T for tiger.
पापा पापा बैग पापा हम कौन है ऑली
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
ऊपर छाता
uncle.
U for uncle.
चंदू चाचा कितने मोटे चादर तार पलंग।
V for violin.
V for violin.
Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow.
V for vegetable.
V for vegetable.
10 little vegetables jumping on the bed.
W for watermelon.
W for watermelon.
Melon, watermelon, fruit that.
W for whale.
W for whale.
I'm the blue whale. I'm the blue whale. I'm big.
X for xylophone.
X for xylophone.
X for Xmas tree.
X for Xmas tree.
जैसा क्रिसमस ट्री आज हम देखते हैं वैसा ही होता चला गया।
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Y for yo-yo.
Y for yo-yo.
Yo-yo, it's my yo-yo, so you know now. Yo.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
A zebra right in front of. He's like a horse.
Z for zoo.
Z for zoo.
धन्यवाद।